Hi everyone! So ayan, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung paano ko celebrate tuloy. Kung paano ko celebrate itong Jewish New Year this year, 2025. So ayan, itong nakikita nyo is yung mga brakot or mga symbolic fruits and vegetables because tradition sa Jewish New Year, before they start the main dinner, they will say a prayer of blessing, and sa prayer of blessing, they will eat certain fruit. Like for example, dito sa plate na ito, we have yung beef, yung head ng beef. So that one, it symbolizes yung the blessing na we are the head and not the tail. So and then ito namang apples with honey, they are declaring na may we have a sweet new year. So after ng prayers, ayan, kumain na kami ng salat and ng fish and marami pang pagkain, pero nahihiya kasi akong mag-video na. So after ng main dinner, of course, hindi mawawala dyan yung sweets. So ito yung mga cakes and everything. So there you go. I hope na you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget na mag-like and follow